Aries, what's up? I'm back with another reading. So overall, right now, Aries, I do feel for a lot of you could be very focused on your career, very focused in your goals, okay? Focused on stability, security here. For a lot of you, you're thinking very practically, you're being very grounded and very realistic here, at least for the first 15 days of December here. In the past here, there was a connection, but there was a lack of equal give and take, okay? So for a few of you, you could be dealing with someone here who could be giving to two people and you never really got the amount of attention and love that you deserve here, okay? This person could be dating other people here, or this person was just not investing enough into this connection, okay? Almost like where you felt like you were being taken advantage of, okay? Right now, I think you're very, very guarded from this person out here in the current situation here. You're being very careful. This is you probably being very, very paranoid here. Again, take it how it resonates, okay? Because this is just the energies of the cards here. This could be you, this could be the person you're dealing with, or a mix of both, all right? So you know what I mean. So I feel you're very guarded here, okay? Now, guarded for what? Probably guarded from communication here, or this could be a person here who's very guarded, okay? This person wants to communicate towards you. They want to rush in, okay? This person wants to get things done yesterday, okay? There's this urgency, okay, that they have to talk to you here, but they're holding back for some reason here. They're just, again, like I said, they don't trust you, they don't trust the connection. They're just very defensive right now, okay? They're pretty tired, fed up, wounded, exhausted, you know, like the beaten warrior here. But again, they're still watching you, doubting, okay? But you could have done this with them over and over and over again, okay? There's a connection here. It's a very old connection here where you're like kind of fed up. You've been fed up, okay, and you're holding back communication here, or they're holding back communication here. Take it how it resonates. On your mind here, I feel that you have turned your back to this person out here. I feel even though you do have a lot of deep love for them, you've reached a point where you've reached a lot of emotional maturity, okay? You're no more like, you know what, like getting overwhelmed if this person texts you or if this person calls you. It's not like, oh my God, he called, or oh my God, she called. No. I think you have reached a point where you have your head and heart in place, okay? You're very balanced here. Not to say that you don't love this person, you do. You only love them and you love them to the moon and back. But you just think it's more sensible, it's more wiser to just hold back your emotions. Because again, you could have trust issues with them here, or they could have fucked up before. But yeah, you're just choosing not to open up, okay? You're just choosing to stay calm, quiet, and balanced out here while loving them in your heart, okay? So you could come off to this person as if you don't give a shit to them, but deep down you do love them a lot. Yeah, but I do feel in your mind here, I feel you've turned your back to the situation. For a few of you, this is a long distance relationship, which you probably feel did not work out. And for the others of you, this is just a decision, this is just something that's taking too long. It's taking too long. All right, and you've probably made a decision to move forward here. In the future, we have the tower here. All right, I'm going to clarify the tower. What's the tower here? Now this, if you've already broken up, then this person's suddenly coming back into your life all of a sudden, okay? If you haven't broken up, then there are chances you may break up. Let's see, what's the tower here? But there's a sudden shake up here. What's the tower? Clarify the tower. Clarify the tower. Yep. The person you're dealing with is coming back to put in work into this connection. I'm getting two scenarios here. Either you find out something about this person, that this person has a third party situation in the future here where they're trying to get to know that person here, or they could be someone, you know, who they were talking to, okay? And I feel there's going to be some secret that's going to be revealed. That's for a very few of you. For the others of you, I feel that there's someone here who's coming out of the blue unexpectedly. This is definitely someone you have history with. They're coming back towards you, wanting to put in the effort here. But it's going to be like a wait and watch here, okay? Things are not going to, like, I don't think you're going to jump in like, oh, hey, yeah, let's just work this out here. I think you have to trust your intuition. Because you don't trust them, right? You're going to trust your intuition, and you're going to trust your inner self. What does your gut feeling say? What does your intuition say? Do you want to get them back? Do you want to work with them on this connection? Now they want to put in the effort, okay? Again, they want to commit to the situation, not to you. So don't get that messed up, okay? They want to commit to the situation where it's like, okay, let's get to know each other a little more. I'm not saying that this is a new person here when now they want to get to know you. This is an old person here who earlier did not put in the effort to get to know you better. Okay, maybe it was a very superficial love or attraction here. Now they want to put in the effort. But I feel from your side, it's going to be like, you know what, wait. Well, I don't want to invest into anything, so at least you are coming off, I feel, in the future where, you know what, I want to wait and watch. I don't want to waste my time, and I don't want to invest my time, energy, and resources into something that's just going to get me nowhere. Okay, so you're going to trust your intuition and think about this offer that this person is going to give you, and it's going to come all of a sudden out of nowhere. And for the others of you, the third set of people, Aries, that I'm talking to, this could be someone new that you work with. Okay, could be through study, could be through work, a new person who out of nowhere comes towards you, who's had their eye on you, and this person has an interest in you, and they come towards you and they want to work on this connection with you. Okay, and you're like, I don't know, I mean, I don't even know you, what the hell, when were you interested in me? So either this is an old person coming back towards you, wants to work on this connection here. Okay, or this is a new person here who's coming towards you and wanting to work on this connection, but both ways you don't want to jump in. Okay, you're just going to take your time and you're going to think about what you want to do here. Take it how it resonates. All right, so that's what I have for you here, and hope this reading resonates, guys. 1 second, I just want to clarify, what's the Three of Wands on your mind? Why is the Three of Wands here on Aries' mind? Yeah. You probably do. Either there is someone in your mind who is trying to offer you, okay, love here, or this is you who probably is thinking about this person here. You could be wanting to reach out to this person. I think you're waiting for this person to reach out, period. Yeah, you're waiting for this person to reach out. You're waiting for this person to apologize. Yeah, sorry. I was reading too much into the cards, because deep down you love them a lot here. But you know what? The funny part is, you also know that you're the mature one, and you know that they're the immature one. That's the funny part out here. You're dealing with someone here who's emotionally very, very immature. Okay, so it is on your mind. You're waiting for this person here to communicate here. Maybe it's just taking too long. Okay, so yeah, because this person here is holding back communication, even though they know there's a sense of urgency. They're missing opportunities. Okay, they're just like being too much of a coward, not wanting to rush in. Okay, they're just like watching you, guarded, and they're just like, I don't know if she's going to respond, I don't know if he's going to respond, I don't know if Aries is going to take me back. But boom, they're coming back. All right, so yeah, that's what I have for you. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.